Hey guys, it's Felicia. Welcome. I know it has been a while, but I wanted to do a really quick video on my updated Pummelo routine. I live in Texas, and the only time that we have access to Pummelo really is November and December. So I went ahead and purchased a couple of Pummelos, and I'm now doing my peels the way that the Yao women do, which is dehydrate their peelings. So just sit back and watch the video. And side note, I am showing you guys this because I actually tried to dehydrate my peelings in an air fryer because I saw a YouTube video showing that you can dehydrate using the air fryer, and it was a bad idea. I ruined all of my Pummelo peelings, so I would not recommend that. So stay tuned, watch the video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Perfect.